Hello friends, we are going to write a Python program to check a number is prime or not using for loop. So here I am having a variable n equal to integer of input of enter a number. The string enter a number will get displayed in the console by the input statement. When user enter a number, input statement receives it as a string. In function convert it as an integer and storing it in the variable n. Now I am having a variable flag equal to 1. I am writing a for loop for I in range 2, n colon. Here the range function will generate a list 2 to n minus 1. So from 2 to the value n minus 1 will get generated. So the loop will execute it from 2 to n minus 1. Within the loop, I am going to write the logic to check the prime number. To write the statement inside the for loop, you have to give an indentation. Here I am giving if n modulo I double equal to 0. When you divide n by I, because the I value will go from 2 to n minus 1. A prime number will completely divide by itself and 1 only. That means when you divide the prime number by itself, that means the same number or by 1, then only remainder will be 0. For other numbers, the remainder is not a 0. For example, if you take a 7, if you take a 13, so these are all the prime numbers. Okay, so if the remainder is 0, what I am doing, I am changing the value of the flag, the variable flag equal to 0, and I am giving a break statement. So if the break is encountered, the control will come out of the loop. Okay, the modulo operator always return a reminder. When you perform n modulo I, the remainder is 0. This condition is true. It will change the flag equal to 0 and the break statement will be encountered. If break is encountered, the control will come out of the loop. If flag double equal to 1 colon, that means the value of the variable flag is 1. That means from the loop 2 to n minus 1, the statement is not true. That means the number is divided by itself and 1 only. In this case, I am printing print the variable n followed by a string is a prime number, else flag is 0. When the flag is 0, the flag is not a 1. When the flag is not a 1, when this condition is become true, the flag is become 0 and the break statement will get encountered. So the flag value is changed in this condition statement. So in this case, I am printing print n is not a prime number. I'll explain the program once again. I am obtaining the input n from the user in an integer and initializing a variable flag equal to 1. I am writing a loop for I in range 2, n. A list is generated from 2 to n minus 1. The loop will go from 2 to n minus 1. I value will take the sequence from 1 by 1 from 2 to n minus 1. In each iteration, I will check n modulo I double equal to 0. That means the remainder is 0. If this is 0, then flag is become 0 and break will get encountered. Okay. Then if it is not a 0, the control will go to the next iteration. I will take the next value and check the same condition. This condition is true only, the statements will get executed. When this condition is true for any I value, the flag is become 0 and break will get encountered. Otherwise, the flag is become 1. The statement will not become true for any I value. So if flag equal to 1, after the for loop I am checking if the variable flag equal to 1. So that means the flag is not changed to 0. This condition is not encountered from 2 to n minus 1. In this case, I am writing n, the value of variable n followed by a string is a prime number. Otherwise, the flag is not a 1. That means it will become 0. I am printing print n is not a prime number. We will take a sample input and check how this program works. For n, my n value is 5. We will come to this statement and a sequence will be generated from 2 to n minus 1. That means the sequence is generated 2, 3 and 4. N is 5, n minus 1. N is 5 up to n minus 1 only, the sequence will get generated. So we are having a I value and we are having value of n modulo I, and we are having a value of the flag. Okay, so n is 5 now. So in the sequence, I will take the first value, I is 2. So here 2, here 5 modulo 2. So 5 modulo 2, the remainder is 1. Okay, initially the flag value is 1. Okay, the remainder is 1 means this is not true. Then I will go and take the next value. So I will take the value 3. So here the n modulo I, 5 modulo 3, the remainder is true and the control will not get executed. The flag is become 1. In the next iteration, I will take the value 4 and 5 modulo 4 and 5 modulo 4, the remainder is 1, the flag is 1. The sequence is over, the control will come out and check. Okay, the flag equal to 1, yes, the flag equal to 1, it will print n is a prime number, it will print output 5 is a prime number. Okay, for example, I am taking a value 4 now. My value n equal to 4. Here 2 comma 4 is the range function. So list will generate it from 2 to n minus 1. So list will have a value 2 comma 3. Here I am having the value of I, value of n modulo I and value of flag. Okay, so here I will take the first value 2, this 2, checking 4 modulo 2, this is 0, remainder is 0. When you divide 4 by 2, remainder is 0. 4 modulo 2, check the remainder is 0. Then this condition is become false. Initial value of flag equal to 1 here, and now it is changed to 0. Flag is changed to 0. Control will come out and check flag equal to 1. No, it will come to else part and print n is not a prime number. My output is 4 is not a prime number. The program will work perfectly for any n value. That's it. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel, share, comment and press the bell button. Thank you.